Hello, everybody. Yeah, we're gonna be playing Jailbreak today. I've never recorded a screen record before. I had to sell a Bandicam one, which you cannot record because you're so stupid. Well, I don't get down, so I'm gonna use Bandicam. Hey, I just said Bandicam. Wow. Okay, so just so you know, I'm a stupid idiot. I'm a stupid idiot who has no friends. No, I'm kidding. I'm serious. It's so laggy. The screen recorder is making my computer lag so bad. It's not as bad as Bandicam, but lag on. I'm called Pizza Dog 1942. I'm so sorry about the lag. If I do anything to fix it. No. Okay, so I look like a dog, but I don't have my clothing on because I've been arrested for no damn reason. But now I'm on. So I was just walking to the shop. So basically, I was walking to the shop, and then someone put drugs in my bag. Put drugs in my pocket when I wasn't looking. So the po-po's checked me. They arrest me for no damn reason at all. Ah! Explode! They arrest me for no reason. So I got triggered, but I punched one of the officers because I was mad. And boy, I got arrested. And they said to all the kids, don't be like this man. Okay, I'm not black. I'm not black, so. Alright, my mic switching. Ugh. I hate it when my headphone does this. So I'm going to take off my headphones because it's getting annoying. It's getting kind of creepy. Anyway, so yeah. So the police arrested me for no damn reason. And I don't live in the US, I live in Britain, so screw you. So heck you. Heck you, boy. Don't ask. Don't ask, I have a really edgy past. Oh, is this dude gonna... This is the police officer that arrested me. For no damn reason at all. Oh, he arrested me. Oh, so I kinda got... Sorry, I was recording him on my mic. So this police officer arrested me for no damn reason at all. He's doing the AFK trick, isn't he? I'm just gonna bolt. I'm just gonna bolt. I'm just gonna punch him to death. So he's running away. He's doing the AFK trick. Oh wait. Yeah, I didn't do anything. Woo! Oh god, I just farted. Good thing our background noise is cold. Can you stop sniffing my butt, you weirdo? Punch you to death. Eli. Ellen. So as you can see, I'm rich, I have $3,000. Arrest 50 people. I can't arrest like one person because they always run away. Hey, for me. Idiot! Saved you. Thanks. I don't know how to say it, so. Plague idiot. There's no wonder his name is Noob Plays 123. He's an idiot. Okay, I can't hear anything. Boom! I gotta get the hell out before the pigs arrest me. For no damn reason at all. I might rage if they don't die. Die when I'm alive. Because I am an angry piece of... Okay, I decided to put in my headphones. I don't have to hit the occasional Youths, because, yeah, my headset's being a little dead. I put it in the wrong way, haven't I? Criminal. I'm a criminal now. I'm trying to sort out my headset right now. You might have to put this in, like, every one of my videos. That's like a 70 quid mic. Yo, you want to shit on me? Oh, this is the guy who arrested me for no reason. Was that a rocket ship, boy? Oh, sorry about that. It's not 90s fun. It's not 90s fun. Yeah, I do have volume. Sorry about that. Noise. My grandma has... Cause I'm at her house right now with my mom. She's getting her hair done. And just so you know, my mom's like 43. She's not like in her 50s. I'm only 13. It's actually a lot of pressure for a 13-year-old to be doing YouTube. Because... I'd say... pressure. I remember... I had this old account called Sam the Gamer. I deleted all the videos on it. Because my teacher made me, because I said, frick school. But I said the F word and said frick. So yeah, I was so triggered, and like, I felt like I was gonna cry. YouTube was my only career, and I am sorry for all the lag. And I have a hiccup, so... Okay, that was a fake hiccup. Oh my god, what the hell? That's a massive alien. I'm scared now. I don't even... Boy, I don't even have a gun. I'm probably gonna get murdered by this massive alien. I better not be the Pope. See if it is, I'm gonna cry. I just escaped. I look really dark. I just realized that. So ready to, you got a girlfriend that looks like a boyfriend, and I don't know the fucking lyrics to this song. Well, maybe it's a crim anal bass. You'll see how cringy my outfit is in a minute. Because I have this obsession with dogs and cats. Cats. I have a cat called Tom. And I have a dog called Riley. Okay, look, this is kind of like an Easter egg. It's an old shotgun. It looks like a BB gun from way back when. It's like 2013. You are a girlfriend, that I have a boyfriend. Don't ask. I painted my legs. It says dogs are the best. Woof, 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 woof. It says my pants. I have an issue, okay? Somebody help. I heard a train coming. I have a feeling that I might die right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave my collar because when the train hits it, it's kind of funny. It goes like, you know what? Peace out. Yo, hit my car. Bang! I'm gonna follow the train. Shoot it down. No. And then another train comes. And then you just got oofed on. Holy oof. He left me behind. The dogs are the best, dude. Ah! I only spent like 20 Robux on this outfit, and I bought some money because I'm sad. I rarely play Jailbreak. I'll show you what I used to look like. Just leave the game. I don't know why I call myself PStub942, but follow me for free Robux. I'm just kidding. I don't have a group yet. It's like, this is what I look like. Look like. Killed on Spectre. Cringe. For cringing my damn shirt. I'm totally not masturbating. I actually can't masturbate. I don't know how to. You're nothing. What the fuck is that? Yeah, as you can tell, I'm very good at censoring my cuss words. I have this problem where I cuss. Fear Pants 30 3.0. That looked like a boyfriend. I don't know Berlin. Okay guys, this is my first video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. I love you all.